Okay, so I just read that Howdy is bringing facial recognition to Linux. I mean, that's kind of amazing, right?
Totally. It's like Windows Hello, but for Linux users. Just imagine logging in with your face instead of a password.
Right? That's wild. The idea that you can just look at your laptop and boom, you're in. But how does it actually work?
So, Howdy uses your built-in camera with facial recognition software using PAM, which stands for Pluggable Authentication Module.
Oh wow, PAM. I remember hearing about that. It's like the secret sauce for all authentication on Linux. Howdy really makes it user-friendly.
Exactly. You wouldn't even need to enter a password for things like sudo or logging in. Super convenient.
But hold on. Does that mean it's secure enough? Like, how reliable is facial recognition in this context?
Good question. It's not as secure as a password. While it's better than basic recognition, a photo could potentially fool it.
Oh, that's a little scary. So it's more like a convenience feature than a security one?
Exactly. It's about speed and ease. But you really should use it alongside passwords for safety.
So if I wanted to install it on Ubuntu, it sounds pretty simple, right?
Yeah, you just add a repository and install it through the terminal. Nice and straightforward.
And then I need to train it on my face, right? Like, it's not just plug and play?
Exactly. You run a command to add a model of your face. Then it learns to recognize you.
That gives me chills. Imagine how much faster it would be than typing passwords all the time.
For sure. And think about it. You could just walk up to your laptop and it unlocks instantly.
I mean, this could change the game for so many people. But what about other distros?
Good point. It's available on Debian, Fedora, and even Arch, though Arch seems a bit more complicated.
Oh, I can imagine. Arch is like the advanced course in Linux, always a bit tricky.
Exactly. But once you get it installed, it's pretty much the same experience across distros.
Can you imagine if every system used this sort of technology? It would be a massive shift in how we interact with our devices.
Absolutely. It's kind of like sci-fi come to life. Authentication could be seamless and much more intuitive.
But just to circle back, what's the main takeaway here?
The main takeaway is convenience over security, really. It's a great tool, but not the only method you should rely on.
So think of Howdy as your cool tech buddy. Super helpful, but you still need to keep an eye out.
Exactly. Which brings some comfort, right? I think a hybrid approach is the right move.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's kind of like getting a dog alarm system. It's great, but you still want a deadbolt.
Exactly. And I love the idea that if people contribute to Howdy, it can keep improving.
Yeah, open source is such a powerful thing. It feels good to be part of this tech evolution.
Right? Even just reporting issues or suggesting features helps it grow.
I never thought about it that way. So anyone can actively contribute to making their experience better.
Definitely. And remember, there's a chance for users to build for other distros too.
Just think, Howdy could be on everything from servers to everyday desktops. That's mind-blowing.
And while there are challenges, it's exciting to see this kind of tech evolving on a wider scale.
So if we wrap this up, it sounds like Howdy is a game changer, but we have to be smart about using it.
Definitely. Blending convenience with traditional methods is key for future tech.
So what's next for us? More face recognition features? We're just scratching the surface here.
Exactly. I can't wait to see how this impacts security trends in the tech world. It's an exciting time.
Let's keep an eye on it. Who knows what other innovations could follow?
For sure. I love that we can explore this together and share our discoveries.
Absolutely. This has been eye-opening. I feel like I'm ready to dive deeper.